Hello everyone, I am from India Spelling Bee. Today we are going to learn a new word of the day. So let's see which word it is. The word of the day is dirty. I repeat, it's dirty. Now let's find out the meaning of the word also. The meaning of dirty is covered or marked with an unclean substance. I repeat, the meaning of the word dirty is covered or marked with an unclean substance. Now let's make a sentence with the word dirty. The room is very dirty. The room is very dirty. Thank you for watching our video. We'll come back again with a new word of the day. So till then, bye bye.